How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to add a proper time tracker for your tasks or your contacts over at monday.com. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your monday.com account as an administrator. So assuming that the workspace that you guys are working for or the company is using this platform for project management, then you should know that there are a couple of different elements that you can add for time tracking. So if you guys are like a manager or an admin with the proper permissions, you should be able to do this just fine. So like I said, once you guys are in the dashboard, you want to click on the board or the group section or the team that you want to edit. So let's say that I want to set some tasks as a project manager for the people in R&D. So let's pretend that this contact is actually an open task or an open project. So to actually configure it and add a time tracker is quite simple. So let's say that this one is data analysis, right? Let's just pretend we can actually rename it or whatever. So this were data analysis, and the company has the budget to pay its some employees to only take at least 2 hours for data analysis. So to actually add a tracker, you'd want to click on the plus icon right here next to the task, the corresponding task that you want to edit, and then you want to click on more columns. And you want to keep scrolling down until you see more columns again. So from here, here are the list of integrations, or I should say tags, that you can add over to monday.com. So here, if you don't find time tracking right away, you can just type time on the search box and you'll see that it's this one right here. So time tracking, easily track time spent on each item, group, and board. So you want to simply click on add to board like so. And you want to tell your team that every time they start on a task, they want to click on this play icon right here, as it actually starts a timer. And when they're done with the task, they can simply stop it and it'll show the time right here. So to show you guys what I mean, let's do this. Let's say, okay, I'm doing the work, I'm doing the task. It's gonna take 5 seconds. I'm done. Okay, 6 seconds, and there you go. It successfully recorded the time that it took to do the task. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.